Hi everyone, welcome to Couture's YouTube channel. This is Kathy from Robin Floral Furniture Refinishing. I've got another little makeover for you here. It's this little chest. And the first thing I'm going to do is take off the hardware, and I'm going to start prepping it by cleaning it, sanding it, things that you have to do before you can start your project. I'm just sanding with a sanding sponge. It's a medium grit. It's just to give some tooth to the paint that I put on. And my little Gracie girl is hiding from the cat. I'm using Bondo here to fill one hole on each side. This is the two-part epoxy. Now I'm going to use the Couture's Premium Plus 2-in-1 primer. It has bonding and blocking properties. I'm just going to cover the whole piece with that. Now you can see here there's some little holes, divots in the top. I'm going to use the embossing medium just to fill those in. That's just something that you can see once the primer's on. And now I'm going to start painting. I'm using purely white. It is Couture's acrylic mineral paint. And if you're looking for a nice bright white, this is definitely one to try. I'm speeding this up because you don't really have to watch me paint something white, but I am going to add another color, and I just want to show you how I do that. The second color is French Rose. This is Couture's chalk style paint. I added the two colors to the back as well. As you can see, it's not like a regular back. So this is where I'm going to blend the two colors together. I'm just putting a fresh coat of each color on. And even though one is an acrylic paint and one is a chalk style paint, you can still blend them together. So now I'm going to just spritz the line with a little bit of water, and I'm using a wide blending brush here, and I'm just doing a cross hatching motion. I'm trying to get rid of that very distinct line in between the two colors. Now I'm going to add a little bit more white up to the top, and then I'm going to take the blending brush again and just swoop it back and forth. And it actually works really well. It's quite easy to get those two colors blending together. I'll show you again here. This is the back. Now, if you're interested in any of the products that I've used here today in this video, there will be a link down below that'll take you to the Paint Couture website page where you can have a look at all their great products. Also, if you like this video, let us know. Give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, just leave them down below. We love to hear from you. I'm also wiping off the blending brush on a paper towel just to avoid getting too much buildup of color, paint color on it. Now you can see how I have laid out the colors. This is because I want to put a transfer in between the two colors. This is a transfer from Redesign with Prima. It's so cute. I'm just working my way around the whole piece. Now I'm going to protect everything with the Extreme Guard top coat in satin. Now I put these knobs on because I thought they were kind of cute, but I'd love to know what you think. Should I have just stuck with little gold ones? Are these too big? Are they cute? Just let me know. Just wanted to show you where we started off and where we ended up. Thank you so much for joining me here today. We'll see you again next time.